Are you ready to dive into a profitable online business in the health and food niche? Imagine owning a blog that's already established, trusted, and primed for passive income. Welcome to allchickenrecipes.com, your next big move in the digital space. This 6-year-old niche food blog is all about delicious and healthy chicken recipes. With over 517 articles, it's a goldmine for health-conscious food lovers. Chicken is one of the most consumed proteins worldwide, making this niche evergreen and profitable. This blog attracts thousands of visitors monthly, with 95% of traffic from Pinterest. That means higher ad revenues and better affiliate conversions. It's the right traffic. AllChickenRecipes.com has proven revenue streams, display ads, affiliate partnerships, and sponsored posts. Revenue ranges from $300 to $700 per month with minimal effort, a passive model with huge growth potential. Opportunities are endless. Boost organic rankings with SEO, launch a YouTube channel, or expand into ebooks. Engage with a loyal audience that loves fresh, easy-to-follow meals. You're buying a community. If you're an aspiring digital entrepreneur or food lover, allchickenrecipes.com checks all the boxes. For more information, visit HumanityUAPD.com and explore insights and growth strategies. Ready to take the next step? Click the link in the description and make this business yours.